All right, mate. Let's look here now. Short to mid-term target $2. I like it. Honestly, I do like it. I don't know if you're in already, but sometimes when you get this, it can go lower before it can go higher. So this is almost like a bear flag, and sometimes it likes to flush lower before getting the retrace back up. So it likes to flush everybody before getting the move back up. So at this point it's looking like it is a bit of a bear flag that may want to go lower. So I'm not sure if you're involved in it yet or not. We're red on the 3-day, red on the day, red on the week. It is still that weekly stop hunt. That's your saving grace if it you know, as long it could be considered slightly bullish above this. But the problem is when this breaks, it's probably going to be a fast flush down through this. But you definitely can take a long right now and have a stop below maybe the weekly low, for example. But with patience, if you have the patience and averaged in here and a bit lower, you know, say if you had 2 or 3 entry points, I would think that this is a good buy, right? You know, if you averaged in right here where we are now, and maybe put another third down here and another third down there, for example, you know, you're going to catch the low end of the range, and eventually this will come back for liquidity. There's a lot of liquidity up here, and that $2 range I think will be hit. But be prepared that this could flush before going higher. There is that weekly stop hunt at this point in time. Just let me, before I finish up here, look at the weekly, the 2 week. So yeah, well, 2 week, you know, sometimes this likes to dip a little bit more on the 2 week and then make your way back up. But as I said, if you buy a little bit now and average down into this, that should come back and you should be profitable.